Happening today, the man accused of attacking and assassinating lawmakers and their families is expected back in court.
And a decision on the death penalty could be addressed. Our Barrett Leone live outside the federal courthouse in Minneapolis with what we expect today. Barrett, good morning.
Good morning, AJ, Heather. Right now, Vance Boelter is waiting to appear in court this morning, a hearing for his criminal case. Now, this is federal court. Boelter has pleaded not guilty to multiple charges, including stalking, murder, and violations of firearms, all connected back to the June 14th attacks. Now, prosecutors say that Boelter carried out a politically motivated shooting spree. They say he impersonated a police officer, shooting State Senator John Hoffman and his wife, Yvette. Their daughter, Hope, dodged bullets. She was also in the home, called 911. Prosecutors say that was before former House Speaker Melissa Hortman and her husband Mark were killed by Boelter. Today's hearing is expected to focus on the status of the case, what comes next, including a possible timeline toward trial. In total, Boelter faces 6 federal charges. Now, if he is convicted of the murder charges, he could face life in prison or the death penalty. Prosecutors tell us that a decision on the death penalty could be addressed today. Now, Boelter is expected to be in court at 10 o'clock this morning. Separately, the Hoffman family has filed a civil lawsuit against Boelter, and the criminal complaint shows new details showing Boelter's actions before the June 14th attacks, including allegations that he was stalking the family for weeks before June 14th. So we'll break down that criminal complaint, that lawsuit, in the next half hour.
All right. Barrett Leone at the federal courthouse this morning. Thank you.
We're following new allegations against the man accused of assassinating and attacking Minnesota lawmakers.
Now, this time in civil court. Our Barrett Leone joining us live with the new claims against Vance Boelter. Barrett?
Hey, good morning, Heather, AJ. Yeah, this new lawsuit is coming from the Hoffman family. State Senator John Hoffman, his wife Yvette, and their daughter Hope were survivors of that unthinkable night on June 14th. And this complaint, this new lawsuit, it sheds light on what the family went through that night. It also includes allegations that they were stalked for weeks before the attacks even happened. Now, prosecutors say that Vance Boelter carried out a politically motivated attack last summer, allegedly targeting multiple elected officials. The Hoffman family's new lawsuit, filed yesterday, claims Boelter stalked them beforehand, watching their home and even following Yvette Hoffman to work. Prosecutors say Boelter showed up impersonating a police officer the morning of the attacks, opened fire, shooting Senator Hoffman 9 times, his wife 8. Their daughter Hope, she was inside as well, narrowly dodged bullets and called 911. The suit says both parents suffered permanent injuries and lost income, while Hope paused her education to cope with the trauma. And as we know, Vance Boelter is also charged with shooting and killing former House Speaker Melissa Hortman and her husband Mark. That case is in federal court today. He'll have a hearing at 10 o'clock this morning. He faces multiple charges, including stalking, murder, and violations of firearms, all connected to that night on June 14th. And if he's convicted of murder, he could face life in prison or the death penalty. And prosecutors tell us that a decision on the death penalty could be made in hearing today.
Which is why, Barrett, you are at the federal courthouse this morning, because you got the civil case and the federal case.
2 different cases.
All right, thank you. Now we will bring you the latest details on today's expected court appearance and any developments in that civil case. Stay with us on air, online, and streaming on CBS News Minnesota.